Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. We are so happy you are here today. This is a calm, friendly place to learn English. You can relax, you can smile, you can learn at your own speed.
Hello, Jessica, and hello, dear listeners. Thank you for spending your time with us. You are doing something very good for yourself today.
Yes, you really are. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need simple English.
Today, we will learn something very useful, something from real life, something we all need one day.
Yes, today's topic is how to talk at a hospital.
Do not worry. We will keep it very simple. Easy words, short sentences.
By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident when you go to a hospital, a clinic, or a doctor's office.
And before we start, a small, friendly reminder.
If you like learning English with us, please subscribe to the channel. You can also like the video and share it with a friend.
It really helps the channel grow, and it helps more people learn English.
Okay, let's begin. David, let's imagine something together. You wake up in the morning, your body feels heavy, your head hurts a little.
That already sounds bad.
Yes, you try to drink water, you try to rest, but you still don't feel well.
So I say to myself, okay, I need help.
Exactly. So you decide to go to the hospital.
I take my bag. I walk inside the hospital. I see many people.
Yes, hospitals can feel busy. Sometimes they feel scary.
That's true, but I take a deep breath.
Very good. Being calm helps a lot.
I walk to the front desk. The receptionist is there.
And what do you say first?
I smile and I say, hello.
Perfect. A simple hello is very powerful.
Yes, it feels polite. It feels friendly.
And after hello,
I say, I need to see a doctor.
that sentence is very important. Let's say it again together.
I need to see a doctor.
Slowly, one more time. I need to see a doctor.
Great. You don't need long English. This is enough.
Some people feel shy. Some people feel nervous.
That is normal.
Yes, everyone feels nervous at a hospital.
But simple English gives confidence.
Exactly. And the staff wants to help you. Now the receptionist looks at you and asks a question.
They may say, what is the problem?
Or they may ask, well, what's wrong?
When you hear this, do not panic.
You do not need a long story.
You can answer in a very simple way.
For example, you can say, I don't feel well.
That sentence is perfect.
Yes, it is clear. It is polite.
You can also say, I am sick.
Let's practice together.
I don't feel well.
I am sick.
Good job. You sound natural.
Now the receptionist may ask more.
Yes, they may ask about pain.
They may say, do you have pain?
You can answer, yes, I have pain.
Or just, yes.
Short answers are okay.
Now let's talk about the place of pain.
You can say, I have pain in my head.
Or, I have pain in my stomach.
You can also say, I have pain in my back.
Very useful sentences.
And you can point with your hand.
Yes, pointing helps a lot.
Sometimes English is not only words.
Your hands help you speak.
That's true.
Let's say a few together, slowly.
I have pain in my head.
I have pain in my stomach.
I have pain in my back.
Excellent. You are doing really well.
Remember, no stress.
Nice and slow.
The hospital is not a test.
Yes, you are not there to be perfect.
You are there to feel better.
And simple English is enough for that. David, let's talk about some very common problems people have at a hospital.
Yes, these are problems many people feel. You are not alone.
That's right. And the good news is, the sentences are very simple.
Let's start with the head.
You can say, I have a headache.
This is very common. Many people say this.
Yes, after work, after stress, after no sleep.
Next, you can say, I have a fever.
When your body feels hot, when you feel weak.
You may feel cold and hot at the same time.
Yes, that happens.
Another common one is, I have a cough.
You may cough a little or a lot.
Either way, this sentence works.
Now let's talk about feeling dizzy.
You can say, I feel dizzy.
This means the room feels like it is moving.
Not a nice feeling.
No, not at all.
Listeners, let's practice together.
Say it slowly.
I have a headache.
I have a fever.
I have a cough.
I feel dizzy.
Very good. You sound clear and confident.
Remember, you don't need to explain everything.
These short sentences are enough.
David, let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to the hospital?
Yes, many times. But one time I remember very well.
What happened?
Last year I had a bad fever. I felt very weak.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes. I did not feel like talking a lot.
So what did you say?
I smiled and said, Hello, I have a fever. I feel very weak.
That is perfect English.
Thank you. I did not use big words.
And the doctor understood you.
Yes, right away. The doctor asked more questions.
And how did you feel then?
I felt calm. I felt safe.
That is very important.
Yes. Simple English gives confidence.
And confidence makes the visit easier. Now imagine you are sitting in front of the doctor.
The doctor looks at you and smiles.
The doctor may ask, how do you feel?
You can answer in a very simple way.
For example, I feel tired.
That is a good answer.
Or you can say, I feel bad.
Very natural.
You can also say, I don't feel good today.
All of these are correct.
The doctor may ask another question.
They may say, Where does it hurt?
You do not need a long answer.
You can say, It hurts here,
And point to your head
or your stomach.
or your back.
Doctors understand this very well.
Your hand helps your words. Doctors ask many questions.
Yes, and that can feel tiring.
But the good news is, many answers are very short.
For example, the doctor may ask, Do you have pain?
You can say, yes,
Or no.
very easy.
The doctor may ask, Do you feel sick?
You can answer, yes, I do.
Or no, I don't.
That's it.
No long sentences.
No stress.
Just clear, simple English.
And that is more than enough. Now let's move to the next step. You talk to the doctor. The doctor understands you.
Yes, and now the doctor gives you medicine.
The doctor may hold a paper or a small box and say, take this medicine.
This sentence is very common.
When you hear this, you don't need to say much.
You can simply say, Okay, thank you.
Polite. Simple. Perfect.
But sometimes you want to know more.
Yes, that's a good idea.
You can ask, How many times a day?
This is a very useful question.
Let's say it together.
How many times a day?
Good. Nice and clear.
The doctor may answer, 2 times a day,
Or 1 time a day.
or maybe 3 times a day.
Simple numbers, no stress.
You may also hear, after food.
Or before food.
Even if you forget, you can always ask again.
Yes, doctors don't mind.
Your health is important. Okay, David, let me ask you something honest.
Go ahead.
Do you like going to the hospital?
No, I really don't like it.
Same here. I don't think many people like hospitals.
The smell, the waiting.
Yes, the waiting feels very long.
But there is one thing I like.
What is it?
I like feeling better.
Yes, that is the best part.
And I like kind doctors.
Kind doctors are the best,
They smile, they listen.
and they make you feel safe.
That makes a big difference.
Now let's imagine another situation.
You are at work or at school.
Your teacher or your boss asks you a question.
Well, they may say, "Why were you absent?"
This is a very common question.
You do not need a long answer.
You can simply say, I went to the hospital.
That is enough.
Or you can say, I was sick.
Very natural.
Very clear.
People understand.
And usually they don't ask more.
Simple English works in daily life.
Okay, everyone, let's recap slowly and calmly.
When you arrive at the hospital, you can say, "I need to see a doctor."
When someone asks what is wrong, you can say, I don't feel well.
You can talk about pain,
I have pain in my head.
or "I have pain in my stomach."
When the doctor asks questions, you can answer simply,
I feel tired.
or yes, or no.
Simple English works.
It helps you feel calm.
It helps people understand you.
And most importantly, it helps you feel confident.
You are doing great.
Dear listeners, we want to talk to you from the heart for a moment. It is okay to feel nervous.
Yes, feeling nervous is very normal.
When you go to a hospital, your body may feel weak and your mind may feel busy.
You may think, "Will they understand me? Is my English okay?"
And that is okay.
Everyone feels nervous sometimes, even people who speak English well.
Doctors are not there to judge you.
They want to help you feel better.
They listen carefully.
And they understand simple English.
You do not need big words.
You do not need long sentences.
A few clear words are enough.
I don't feel well. I have pain. That works.
Remember this important thing.
You are not weak.
You are brave.
You are learning.
Every time you speak, you become stronger.
Every small sentence is progress.
Be proud of yourself. Now it's your turn.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Please write a comment below.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just try.
Here's the question.
What do you say at a hospital?
You can write something simple.
For example, I have a headache.
Or, "I don't feel well."
Both are great answers,
We read the comments.
and we are happy to see you practice.
Your English grows when you use it. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You really did an amazing job,
We know learning English is not always easy,
but you showed up today.
and that is something to be proud of.
Remember, slow English is good English.
Clear English is strong English.
Be kind to yourself.
Take your time
Keep practicing a little every day.
and don't be afraid to speak.
We believe in you,
We are happy to learn with you.
and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Take care, everyone.